Good morning children. Today we are going to see about the overview of chapter sets. Set is defined as a collection of well-defined objects. Then set can be represented in two forms. The first form is roster form. The second form is called set builder form. Roster form is also called it as a rule form. Set builder form is also called it as a statement form. Next we are going to see about the types of sets. So in the types of sets, the first one is universal set. Universal set is denoted by mu, where set contains all the elements of its subset. Next type of set is subset. If all the elements of set A is present in set B or belongs to set B, then A is called it as a subset of B. Power set is a set contains all the set of its subset. Next we are going to see about the cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of a set is a set contain the number of elements present in it. Means how many elements are present in a set is called cardinal number of a set. It is denoted by n of a. Based on this cardinal number of set, we can classify that sets as, if the set contains no element, then it is called it as a empty set. It is also called null set. A set contains only one element is called singleton set. If a set contains uncountable number of elements, then it is called as a infinite set. If a set contains finite number of elements, then it is called it as a finite set. Or a set contains countable number of elements. We can count the elements, then it is called it as a finite set. So based on this number of elements, if number of elements in set A and number of elements in set B are equal, only the number of elements are equal, then they are called it as an equivalent set, where the number of elements are equal. So next one is equal set. In case of equal set, if every elements of set A belongs to set B, as well as if every elements of set B belongs to set A, then the sets are called it as a equal. Disjoint set. Two sets having no common element, then such type of set is called it as a disjointed. Means there should not be any common elements in both sets. That means there is a intersection of two sets is an empty set. Now today we are going to see another one, operations, union, intersection and the difference. There is another one, representation of a set by using diagram or picture. It is called it as a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is introduced by the mathematician John Venn. That's why this representation of a set is called it as a Venn diagram, where we represent the universal set by using rectangle and the remaining sets by using a circle.